Exploiting the Lightning bug was the ethical choice. For the second time in roughly a month, btcd/LND have had a bug exploited which caused them to deviate in consensus from Bitcoin Core. Burak crafted a transaction with witness data just a single weight unit over the strict limit and once again stalled btcd and LND nodes at that block height. The second bug was literally right above the one from last month in the codebase. It wasn't even discovered by anyone at Lightning Labs. AJ Towns reported it on October 11, 2 days after the original bug was triggered by Burak's 998 of 999 multi-sig transaction. A fix was then made, but not released, with the intention to quietly patch the issue in the next release of LND. Second, the fact that this issue was already patched in Rust Bitcoin demonstrates a lack of communication across maintainers of different codebases in regard to bugs like this. Core Lightning is architected in this way, connecting to an instance of Bitcoin Core and depending entirely on that for validation of blocks and transactions. If LND worked the same way, neither of these bugs in btcd would have affected LND users in a way that put their funds at risk. Developers and users should be focused on improving the processes to prevent incidents like this from happening again, and not playing the game of tossing around blame like a hot potato.